This is Vince. Welcome to the Remote Accountants channel. Today is Monday, December 6th, and today is going to be another two-part video. I'm going to talk about tips on my Facebook group and how you can take advantage of that Facebook group. That link is down below for remote accountants and bookkeepers, and so I'm going to give you guys some advice about how you can do that. And the second part of this video is going to be about the job opportunities. So I'm going to have the time announced here on this channel. Again, subscribe to this channel so you guys can learn first about when these jobs will be posted on the Facebook group. And so that will be made available to you guys too as well. So we'll get that in the second part of this video. So let's head right in here for the first part, the tips on the group. So the group that I have, the name of it is Remote Accounting / Bookkeeping, and the business is hiring them. Again, you'll see that link down below. So become a member of that group if you're not already. And some tips about that group that'll help you guys out. The first is regarding the jobs. Like I tell you on each of these videos where I post job opportunities at certain times. But this is a tip for everybody to keep a lookout for jobs that are already posted. Let me give a great example. Last Friday, I made a job posting, several job postings that were available on the group. And I saw within a day or two afterward that several of those jobs had some people interested, but not some of them were still needing somebody. And so if you scroll in the group, you'll see opportunities that are available to you. Of course, there are opportunities out there where there's been like hundreds of people that have submitted to that. So of course, that's going to be a little more difficult to get. But that being said, there's opportunities out there for everybody to look over there for different accounting roles. And those could be still open. So just be sure that you go through and you ask questions, you take advantage of that. A little disclaimer about the job opportunities in general, by the way, they're not my own. So do your own research to make sure everything's okay and it fits right for you. So, but in any case, that's the first tip, is to scroll to look to see what else is available. Not just the ones I post recently, but look at something that may be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks old that could help you out. The second tip that I'm going to tell you guys is about asking questions on the group. So I typically do post both job opportunities and questions and accounting resources too. So, if you guys have questions about how to do a certain entry or how to record, a certain thing in the books, whether it be on the balance sheet or the income statement, or maybe it's another part about accounting that you're just not sure about. Maybe it's even career related about how to get clients and all that. Ask a question and I'll take a look at that. As long as it's accounting related, as the admin of the group, I'll go ahead and approve that for you guys, so you guys can take advantage of that. So just another tip for you guys, just to ask questions. I try to do post as much as I can. Another part about it too is that the more the merrier. If you guys have accounting friends, people that are involved in accounting that may be in your family, Facebook community, or other social media sites, go ahead and invite them to the group. The link is there. It's really easy. You can click on the invite feature and you can be able to copy the link, or just copy the link from the very heading and be able to send that to somebody and invite them over. And it's, anybody can join. I try to keep it accounting related, so any posts that are outside of that, I usually don't approve on that, but somebody could, be in accounting in a different ways, or maybe be in finance, or just be in business, and they just want to learn a little bit more. And so that's all fine. And I have those kind of members out there too. So just remember to invite people and to participate too. That's a last tip that I'll give, is participation. This really helps everybody out because you can see what's going on in the group. And participation has been great already. That, by the way, guys, thank you so much. And the membership's been wonderful. We are at closing in on almost 20,000 members, which is really amazing considering how many people that really is. You think of all those people in one room and be like a stadium or something. So that's great to have a group that size. And this channel is a bit smaller. It's only about little over 250 subscribers, but it's growing every day, and that's wonderful. So guys, if you're not a subscriber already, please hit the subscribe button down below and take advantage of this channel. Again, I'll make job announcements, job postings, I'll give tutorials. A little update in the tutorials, by the way. I'm one step closer to starting the tutorial portion of this channel, where I'll teach little concepts that I know. I'm an accountant myself. I've been an accountant for decades. That I can teach you guys. I can tell you what I know about a certain element of accounting, so that way you guys can take that on and be able to incorporate that into your own career. And so I have a Mac, and so I do have Sheets on my Mac, but I also want to get the Excel version. That's the Microsoft Excel. And so I'm going to go ahead and purchase that software so I can start doing the videos necessary for that so you guys can see it. I'll do screen shares and all that kind of stuff so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. Let's dive right into the second part of this video. Again, today is Monday, December 6th, 2021. So today I'll be announcing the job postings for everybody. I'll do it at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, the day today is Monday, December 6th, 2021. So at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'll be announcing the job. So again, be a subscriber to the channel. You can be the first to know. And there are 3 positions I'll talk about here in this channel today that will be available for you guys. The first is a junior bookkeeper. This is actually based out in the Philippines. And so this is a company that's looking for somebody to take on a junior bookkeeping role. And that same company, from what I saw, was also looking for a senior bookkeeper as well. So they had a lot of different qualifications for both of those positions. So when I see that, that's actually a good sign because they know exactly what they're looking for. And the good thing is that although it's based there in the Philippines, it looked like that there were remote elements to it as well. So this is a great opportunity if you're looking for a junior bookkeeper role or a senior bookkeeper role. That's available to you guys. So you'll see that at that time, at 7 p.m. today. I'll be posting about that. The third opportunity, so again, as a junior bookkeeper, senior bookkeepers, there's 2 opportunities there. The last opportunity I'll mention here on the channel today is an accounting role that's for assistant reliever. I've never heard that quite put that way before, reliever. But in any case, the description's there. Once again, the disclaimer is that these aren't not my own, so do your research, ask questions, send messages, personal messages, emails, whatever it may be, to find out more, to make sure that's a good fit for you. But it looked like a great opportunity for somebody in that, the field, an accounting field, to be able to take advantage of that. And at that time, by the way, today, I will post additional bonus information, questions, materials, all that at 7 p.m. today. So look out for that. I try to do these guys, by the way, like several times a week, like 2 to 3 times a week. I'll make these postings. And sometimes I'll just go ahead and prove things through that if I feel like, it's good for the group to see right away. But I do like to talk about them. I have this channel for that reason, to connect with you guys. So guys, thank you again for subscribing. Again, hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to guys have you as subscribers on this channel. I'll be posting as much value information as I possibly can to make this channel good for you guys. Again, tutorials, interviews, things like that, to make it great for accountants out there. And I say accountants, it applies for all levels of people who deal in accounting, whether you be a CPA, a bookkeeper, or maybe you're dealing in finance, you're doing budgeting or modeling. I think it's going to be relevant for everybody that fit in those fields. So it's kind of it's an area that fits multi factions of the industry. Okay, guys, we're about 8 minutes here in this video. I'll kind of keep it a little shorter today. Feel free to like the video if you like it, and comment on the group. And look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Take care.